Does it seem like your shower faucet is a little unsecure? Don't invest in big fixes that don't work. RecPro has a handy little fix that adds strength and security to your faucet without a big price tag and without tearing apart your whole shower. The shower faucet cover plate wall mount gets installed behind the faucet in your shower to increase stability of the faucet. It also helps prevent water from leaking into your RV walls from your faucet area. When paired with silicone, you can create a watertight seal that keeps water in your shower only. The cover plate also gives easy access to the bathroom plumbing, which is great for quick minor repairs, checking pipes or fittings, or even if you decide you want to change out your faucet entirely. Something to mention is the slim and small form factor of this mounting plate, which is great for a smaller RV bathroom where space is limited, such as wet baths. The holes are also 1 inch in diameter, making them a good option for a variety of faucets. If you're in need of a new faucet as well, this plate pairs really well with many of our RecPro shower faucets. It's got 2 holes for the threads of the faucet, for the center point measurements as well as overall measurements. We'll go ahead and put them on the screen, and you can pause to take a look at them. It's easy to install. Just remove your faucet, attach the plate, and then reinstall your faucet, and you're done. Added strength without a bunch of hassle. This wall mount comes in white and is made of thermoformed ABS plastic, making it perfect for use in the shower. The plastic won't rust or corrode with contact with water, and the thermoformed ABS construction makes it durable and long-lasting. Don't let a worn, broken, or missing plate have water leaking where you don't want it. Add a shower faucet cover plate to your RV shower faucet today and shower with confidence that nothing is leaking. If you'd like to learn more about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.